Good morning, students. And in the previous class, we had started with problems based on triangles. So this congruency of a triangle. I just wanted to have a small recap about the congruency, the criteria. How many criteria we have? We have 5 criteria. Starting with SAS, SSS, ASA, RHS, and angle side. These are the 5 criteria. Why are we using criteria? Because if we do not have the criteria, then we have to conclude the congruency by proving 6 different things. To avoid that, we started with congruency. Okay, let's continue from exercise 5.1. 5.1 first one is already done. Now the next question is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA as shown in the figure. Prove that triangle ABD is equal to triangle congruent to triangle BAC, side BD is equal to AC, triangle ABD is equal to BAC. Now let's draw the quadrilateral. Let's see how does it look like. A, B, C, D. Now in this, they are talking about this complete angle. And these two sides are equal. Now what are they asking? Triangle ABD. Triangle ABD and BAC. A, B, D, and B, A, C. Now let's see what is given. AD and BC. See here, I have AD here and BC this side. Let's try to interchange it so that it will be easy. AD is equal to BC. These two sides are equal, they are telling. And then triangle DAB, that means DAB, this angle equal to CBA. Then this is what they have given. This side, this angle, this angle. It is already given in the question. Let's try. Given, what is given? AD is equal to BC, and then DBA is equal to CBA. What do we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. And then BD is equal to AC. And then ABD and BAC. ABD and BAC. These 3 things we have to prove. Now in this side, this already given, we will just write down AD is equal to BC given, and then DBA is equal to CBA given. 2 things done, right? I have side, I have angle. Now if I get one side or one angle, we can conclude it. If you see the diagram carefully, you see here AB. It is common, right? I can write AB is equal to AB common. See here, we already proved. This is sine, angle, sine. Therefore, triangle ABC is complement to triangle BAC. AB. We already done the first one. What is the second one? BD is equal to AC. Now, if you see the diagram again, we have BD and AC, right? You remember when I was teaching this one criteria. The moment when you prove both are congruent, automatically corresponding sides will always be equal. In this case, BD is equal to AC. Now, what is the reason you will write? You have to write corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So, in short, you can write CBCD. That is enough. Second one is also done. Third one, do we have ABD and BAC there? See here? Same place we have. Again, you can write ABD is equal to BAC. CBC. So once when you prove congruent triangles, the rest will be there. It will be most of the time it will be CPCD. Okay, this is how we prove it. Just have it. Now the next problem, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. Okay, there's a triangle like this. They are telling AD and BC are equal. So AD is equal to BC. And also they are telling angle B is equal to angle A. Okay. Now what do we have to prove? To prove CD bisects Okay, the question they are asking us to prove is CD bisects AB. That means this line is making AB into two equal parts, which is nothing but if I tell this is O, they are asking us to prove OB is equal to OA. This is what we have to prove. See, when they are asking us to prove these two sides, let's do one thing. Take these two triangles. Prove these two are congruent. If you prove these two are congruent, automatically the sides will be equal. Same logic we have to do. Now, in triangle BOC and triangle AOD. Let's take these two triangles. This is triangle 1. This is triangle 2. Let's see we can prove it. Okay. Now in this triangle, what is given? Just write on that. AD is equal to BC. This is AD equal to BC. Done. Next one, angle B is equal to angle A. 90 degrees. Why these two are equal? Because both are 90 degrees. So I can tell even these two are done. Next one, see, this is one line, this is one line. Whenever there is an intersection, we get vertically opposite angle. So can I write BOC is equal to AOD? Why? Do not go for RHS. Okay? RHS is just an option. We can always prove in other criteria as well. Now here, which criteria is this? This is sine. This is angle. This is angle. See from this way. Angle, sine. As per angle, sine. Triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD. Therefore, once when two triangles are congruent, I can tell the sides are also equal, right? Which is nothing but OA is equal to OP. Why? Reason is CPCP. This is the reason. See here. This is what we have to prove. And also you can conclude the statement. Therefore, CD bisects A. This also you can do. Understood? Just copy this. Fourth question. Okay, fourth, just give it a try how to do that. In the fourth question, they are telling that L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. See here, this is one set of parallel lines. Okay, this is one set of parallel lines LM, and there is one more set of parallel lines like this. Okay, this is L, this is M, this is P, this is Q. Once when two parallel lines intersect, whatever the diagram which you get, the polygon, it is always a parallelogram. Remember that. A, B, C. A, B, C, and show that A, B, C to prove A, B, C is congruent to triangle C. This is what we have to prove. Here, whenever two parallel lines intersect, whatever the diagram you get, it is always a parallelogram. Because what is the property of a parallelogram? Property of a parallelogram says that they have opposite sets of parallel line. In parallelogram and rectangle, they already have a opposite sets of parallel line. So I can tell ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, and opposite angles are equal. Angle D is equal to angle B, and angle A is equal to angle C. These are the information which you get because LM parallel to BQ. All these you got the information because they have told LM and PQ are parallelly intersected. That's why we got all these information. Using this information, you have to prove that two triangles are congruent. Which two? ABC. ABC. This is one triangle. This is second triangle. Write this triangle separately. See, whenever you draw this separately, you will get a clear picture. Now, if I write A, B, C, and then you have to write CDA, right? CDA. Now here AB is equal to CD, right? Do we have AB and CD correctly? AB, CD. Done. AD is equal to BC. Do we have AD there? We have AD. Done. Next one is angle D is equal to angle B. Which criteria is that? SAS. Write that. Proof. Okay. Now this writing part I want you to write. Okay. Whatever the information you just have to write it, and you will conclude that therefore both the triangles are congruent. Okay. This is how we solve the problem, and we will continue the same in the next class. Again, if you have any doubts, any clarification, we can always have this in interactive session. Thank you so much.